Good morning friends, welcome back again in grade 10 mathematics, third chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing well at your home. In our previous video, we talked about pair of a linear equation with two variables. In second chapter polynomials, we have already learned about a standard form of a linear polynomial. That means you can say linear equation or linear polynomial or linear with one variable in second chapter. Now in third chapter we want to learn about linear pair with two variables. Here I draw a small picture with two straight lines. First one is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and second one is a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. It's a pair of linear equation with two variables. Okay, here x and y I use two variables. That's why it's a two variable. Okay, now today we discuss about exercise 3.1 and everyone here in exercise 3.1 we have some word problem and we solve it. Now let's begin. Okay, see everyone, what is exercise 3.1? Example first of all I read out what is example 1. Okay, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Okay, here first of all we think what is given and what we do. That means what is our aim. First of all, in this word problem there are two conditions. Obviously in this chapter there are every time we face a two condition. Why? Because the name of chapter is pair. Pair is two. Okay. And what is our aim? Our aim, this whole problem represent in algebraically and graphically both. Both the way we want to represent this whole entire thing. Okay. Now here how many persons? Look, data. Aftab tells his daughter. That means there are two persons. First one is Aftab and second one is his daughter. Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago. Here this one problem is according to age-wise problem. And in your previous standard you already learned what is a age problem we solve. First of all, in generally we assume that or you can say that consider present age and then apply what is the given condition. Okay, here also same method, same thing, same process. First of all we consider present age and then apply these two given condition of that ages which we consider. Okay, so first of all we consider the present age of Aftab and second the present of his daughter. Okay, now let's start. I write here answer. Suppose the present age of Aftab is equal to x year. Okay, I consider suppose the age of Aftab is x year, present time, and the age of his daughter is y year. Okay, now look, what is the condition? 7 years ago. What is the meaning of ago? Ago, that means you can call before. This is a similar word. Okay. Then I write 7 years before. I was 7 times as old as you were then. Okay. Therefore, now we apply this condition. 7 years before. Therefore, I write here now. 7 years before, or you write ago. Aftab age was, look, present age is x before 7 years. Obviously, we do subtract. Therefore, x minus 7. Aftab age was x minus 7 years. X minus 7 years. And his daughter look, what is the present age of his daughter? Y. Therefore, y minus 7. Okay. Y minus 7 years. Okay. Look, 7 years ago I was 7 times. Now we apply this condition. 7 times, whose tells? Aftab tells, I 7 times as old as you were then. Therefore, Aftab age was 7 times with respect to his daughter. Okay. Now this is our first equation. First of all, we simplify this in a simplest form and look. Therefore, x minus 7. Now multiply 7 with y, 7y, and again with minus 7. We get minus 49. Okay. Now shift 7 minus 7 on opposite side, it becomes positive, and 7y shift left side, it becomes negative. Minus 7y is equal to 7 minus 49. Therefore, x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Also we can write x is equal to 7y minus 42. This is our first equation. Because we want two equations. This is the first equation. Okay. Now what about second condition? Also, 3 years from now. What is the present age? X. Also 3 years from now. That means after 3 years. Therefore, by data, three years now. From 3 years now. From 3 years now. After present age is x. After 3 years, it will be x plus 3, and his daughter will be y plus 3. Therefore, I write, therefore, after age will be is equal to x plus 3 years. Similarly, and his daughter age will be y plus 3 years. Okay. Now apply condition. I shall be 3 times as old as you. 3 times. After, that means x plus 3 is a 3 times with respect to his daughter, y plus 3. This is our second equation. Now we simplify and find the simplest form. What happened? Look here. I write here x plus 3 as it is. 3 multiply with both the term in bracket. X plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. X plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. Now transform this on left side and this is right side. We get x minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3. Therefore, x minus 3y is equal to 6. Therefore, we write x is equal to 3y plus 6. This is our second equation. Okay. Look carefully, everyone. Okay, what is our task? Our task, this whole word problem to represent on algebraically or graphically. Here we find two equations. That means this is a form in an algebraic meaning. Therefore, our first aim, algebraically represent, is done. Now, what about graphically meaning, or you can say that geometrically meaning? Both are same. For graphically meaning representation, we obtain some points for graph paper. With help of these two equations, we obtain some points and denote on graph paper and join those points and look a graph. Okay? First of all, we write here two equations. Our first equation is x is equal to 7y minus 42, and second one is x is equal to 3y plus 6. Okay, I rub out this one. Okay, here I need any 2, 3 or 4 point x and y. Okay, x and y, and get a respectively variable value. Suppose I take 6, value of y is equal to, you can take any value in your mind. Okay, I take 6. Then what happens if we put y is equal to 6 here? Then it becomes 7 6 are 42. 42 minus 42 both are cancelled. We get x is equal to 0. Okay. Now this time we take y is equal to 7. Put y is equal to 7 here. 7 7 are 49 minus 42. 49 minus 42 we get 6. Okay. You can take any point with respect you. 49 minus 42, that means 7. Sorry. Okay. Now what about this equation? Similarly, we find any two value. X and with respect to y. Okay. Now I take y is equal to minus 2. What happens? 2 3 are 6, minus 6 plus 6 we have 0. And if we take y is equal to 0, then this term will be 0. Only we have x is equal to 6. Therefore, we write 6. Therefore, what our point are 0 6 7 7. Here in for equation 2, our point is 0 minus 2 and 6 0. Okay. This equation gives us one single line, straight line. Also, this equation gives us another single line. That means pair. And what happens in a graph paper? Look, suppose this is a rough graph, vertical line, that means y-axis, and we have horizontal line, that means x-axis. Intersection of both is called origin. Positive side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, so on. On left side -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. Okay. Now plot this point 0, 6. This is a x coordinate. This is a y coordinate. 0, 6. That means 0, 6. Here this point is 0, 6. Or you can write 0, 6. Okay. Second point 7, 7. That means 7, 7. Suppose intersection of 7 and 7 is here. Okay. This is point 7, 7. This is the intersection. You assume that like this 7 and 7. Okay. Approximately, because this is a rough graph. If you plot these all points in an actual graph, it becomes very good. Now what about second equation? 0, -2. That means 0, -2. This one. This is a 0, -2. And second point we have 6, 0. That means 6, 0. This is a 6, 0. Now join this point. We have a straight line. Suppose this one. Okay. Straight line. And also here join these 2 points. This is our graph with respect to this data. Okay, and this is a geometrical meaning, or you can say that graphically meaning, or you can write what is equation of this straight line. Obviously x is equal to 7y minus 42. X is equal to 7y minus 42. And what is the equation of this line? 3y plus 6. X is equal to 3y plus 6, or y, x, x dash, y dash, similarly. Okay. I hope all students are understood. Look very clearly and keep in your mind what is algebraic meaning and what is a graphical meaning. Okay. Have a good day and thank you very much.